Stuffed peppers. Fire up your Weber. 2 pounds of that. Pork and beef. Look. Oh, all this. Ugh. Salt, pepper, and garlic stuff. Chili powder. Danos. What's your sister shit sauce? In a wok. A $60,000 wok. What do you want? And then add it when that shit's done. It's almost there. Butter this. Cut them. Clean them. We're gonna stuff them. Cheese. Fill them up. Run it up to 300. Look at this shit. Whoa! Put them in there. And then we'll put some fucking cheese on them later so they don't burn, dummies. Get it on 350 and get some cheese ready. Add the cheese. Yes. Took it to 500. Look at that, motherfuckers. Woo! Oh, man. Woo! Bud! That's a wrap. I know it's good.